Today our topic is median for group data. The data is given in shape of classes and its frequency. Classes which is started from 5 to 14, corresponding frequency is also given. Calculation median is equal to size of n by 2th value. First of all, we will calculate this. N by 2th total frequency is 50 divided by 2 value, that is equal to 25th value. Now we write the formula of median. L plus h over f into n by 2 minus c minus c. Now L is equal to lower limit of lower class boundary plus h class interval, and f is frequency, corresponding frequency, n by 2, n total frequency, and divided by 2 minus c cumulative frequency of preceding class of model class. Now here we need the class boundary. For class boundary we will take it from 4.5 to 14.5, 0.5 back and 0.5 of upper ahead. 14.5, the first upper boundary of first class is the lower boundary of next class, and so on. You will write all the class boundaries. Here it make the class interval equal to 10. 10 is our class interval. Now here we need the cumulative frequencies. The frequency of next class will be added with the previous class here. Now the frequency of first class is 2, cumulative is also 2. Next 2 plus 4, 6 is cumulative frequency of next class. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 10, 23. Plus 13, 36. Plus 11, 47. Plus 3, that is equal to 50. Now cumulative frequency is 50. It means the total frequency is 50. Now putting all the values in formula. Here L is the lower boundary of model class. Model class is the class which frequency is highest. So here the model class which is 45.5 to 54.5 is model class because its frequency is highest, which is 13. So L means the lower boundary of model class, which is 44.5, and its frequency is 13. Now L is equal to, L means 44.5. Plus now class interval is h is equal to 10. From 44.5 to 54.5, the class interval is 10. And F means the frequency of model class. This is model class. F is equal to 13 frequency of model class, and C is equal to 23, which is the cumulative frequency of preceding class of model class. Now we put the values, all these values in the formula which is L plus H over F into N by 2 minus C. So we write the values of L. L is equal to 44.5 plus H 10 over 13, frequency is 13, into N 50 divided by 2 minus C, cumulative frequency of preceding class, which is 23. Now we solve it. Fifty divided by 2 minus 23. 50 divided by 2 is 25 minus 23, which will be 2. So 24.5 plus 10 over 13 into 2. Now further we calculate 44.5 plus 10 over 13 will be 1.54 is equal to 46.04, which is our answer.